Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix contacts not showing on iPhone if you're using iOS 26. The method in iOS 18 was pretty simple, but in iOS 26 it's a bit difficult than iOS 18. So let's head to our contacts application. Here it is. Let's click on the contact, and here you can see I only have two contacts. So I have selected a different list just to show you guys. So if I click on back over here, as you can see, there are many lists. If you click on all contacts on top, you will be able to see every single contact. However, here is a list that I have created custom where only two contacts are available. And if you need to see all of your contacts, like every single one of them, then you have to click on all contacts. So that will include all Gmail contacts and all iCloud contacts. So I'm going to select all contacts. And here you can see all of my 327 contacts are available. So guys, that's how you can fix the contacts not showing on your iPhone option. However, if you don't have your Gmail or iCloud contacts synchronized, then you might not be able to see the contacts on your iPhone. So I have also created videos showing how to add Gmail contacts and iCloud contacts on your iPhone. Make sure to check those videos out so that you can add your Gmail or iCloud contacts in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.